Here, I'm Aanchal Gupta, and here's a quick challenge for you. Take any piece of paper and try folding it in half 8 times. Sounds easy, right? Let's try it. Okay? Yeah. So let's do it together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh my goodness. 6. Okay, this is tough. 6. And I can't fold it further. Why does it stop folding? No matter how thin the paper is, something strange happens. It becomes too thick to fold again. But why? So let's see that. So you see, each fold doubles the thickness, isn't it? Yeah. So we see that each fold doubles the thickness. So here, once you take one paper, so once you fold it, there are two folds. And then what's the next? 4. And then again, 8. Yeah. And then again, 8. And then again, 32. And then 64 layers. And just imagine I could just fold a 7, right? Yeah. Not only 7, it was just still 6, isn't it? Even with regular, like A4 paper, it becomes small brick after 6, 7 folds. Just imagine. And so, what if you could fold a paper 42 times? Believe it or not, the thickness would reach the moon. Yeah. So let me explain you how. Okay, let me explain you how. So what are we doing is we're just taking the thinnest paper we could. Okay. So let us say it's like 0.1 millimeter. Okay. And we are folding it 42 times. So just imagine it's like 0.1. Like with each fold, it's double, right? So we are folding it how many times? 42 times. And when you just come up with the result, you get to see that it is nothing but it's like 440, 000 kilometer. And do you know what? That's the distance of from Earth, from Earth to the moon. Yes, yes, from Earth to the moon. Isn't that crazy? Yes. So I tell you, so is it really impossible to fold paper more than 7 times? But let me tell you one thing. In 2002, a high school student, Brittany, actually folded toilet paper 12 times and even made a math formula to prove how big the paper needs to be. So if math says it's possible and someone actually did it, what's stopping us? Want to know the exact formula Brittany used to fold the impossible? Stay tuned and maybe try it yourself if you have a lot of paper. So this is Aanchal Gupta bringing you cool math, and you can actually try at home. Like, share, and keep folding your curiosity. That is.